Hey everyone, it's Jennifer and welcome to day 30 of my 50 days to 50. That is the countdown to my birthday where I am decluttering every single day leading up to that. And today what I have is a kind of a twofer. In this box I have it full of perfume samples. Lots of different samples. If you've ever ordered online or sometimes in a department store, they'll just stick these little marketing ploys into your bag so that you'll try the next scent and maybe purchase. Well, I have kept a lot of these thinking, oh, I'll put them in my purse or I'll take them if I go traveling. But that's not the case. There may be only one or two of them that I even like, but I tend to stick with the perfume that I always wear, which kind of brings me to the second item today. This little baby here, it was the brand that I wore for a long time. I absolutely loved it and they ended up discontinuing it. And when they did that, for some reason, I felt the need to start collecting the empty bottles. Sometimes if you do have empty perfume bottles, they might be vintage, they may be worth something, so it's worth checking out on the internet. But a lot of times they're just empty clutter. And so that's what today's item is, the perfume samples and empty perfume bottles. Thank you guys so much for checking out my channel. I would appreciate it if you can like and follow, and I really appreciate all of the support that I've been getting. People have been so great and I really want to thank you all.